morning, this is the key home. Look, behind me is a portable cabin customized for our client from Renew. Let's see the outlook. This is the cladding panel. The material is wooden plastic and the color is brown, but the color is customizable. After adding this, the house looks more beautiful and with much better heat insulation. This is the window. The color is white and the material is aluminum alloy. You can slide. Also, there is a net to prevent the mosquito. In front of the door, this is a terrace and this is the column. This is a handrail. Color is white and a square tube. Under my feet is a floorboard. The material is wooden plastic, strong and durable. You can jump. This is the door with a lock and 4 keys. Steel material, fireproof. Now let's open. Swing. Look, internal decoration panel, fiber bamboo material with white-gray color. But for you, many colors can be chosen. This is a private bathroom with separated dry and wet areas. This area we place a kitchen cupboard. Let's pull the door. This area is a foldable bed. We can sit, and this is the mattress. The cabin equips with electricity system. On the roof, you can see 2 lights and a terminal box. The cabin has an external industry plug, convenient to connect outside power. This portable cabin is widely used as holiday cottages and hotel for its beautiful outlook and completed structures. If you need it, please call us.